The majestics of the mountains were mind-blowing. The greenery, the beauty in every situation, in every place we went to, just took your breath away. We were able to fly our drones in those spaces, and to be able to do that was incredible. And it's an experience I will never forget.
We would go from one location to another, and Chris would be there right behind you, watching what you're doing, watching where your sticks were, encouraging you, telling you, no, 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 too fast, too slow. I mean, it was really, really exciting and spontaneous, and we got some just spectacular shots.
Chris worked right with me, looking over my shoulder, helping me pick out the shots, how to move in and out, the different aspects of operating a camera.
I really couldn't anticipate how wonderful it was. Exceeded all expectations.
It was exhilarating, it was fun, I made friends, I saw so much, I experienced so much, I laughed, I did things that I didn't think I was capable of doing, and it had everything that I wanted in an adventure.
This trip is a no-brainer, man. If you've ever wanted the experience and the opportunity to fly somewhere unique, man, there is nothing better than this. You will have the time of your life.
If you're worried about not being able to keep up with everybody, there's people here that will help you and work together. And I'm going home with so much more than I came with. I would recommend it for anybody.
There's no reason to be on the fence with this. I mean, if you want to know how to use those filters, how to use the different compositions, how to do those cinematic moves that you see in movies all the time, and I don't know what else you would want to do but come to a great country, have a great time with all the people that are there. You'll learn a ton, and Chris is great in the coaching area. It's a dream come true if you really want to learn how to use your drone.
You guys should not miss this. Not 1 second of it. Every single part of it you're gonna enjoy and you're gonna love. There's no regrets. No regrets.